know you're on your holiday. I know maybe you've had a few drinks last night, enjoying yourself, but getting on that first lift in the morning is a great way to ensure you have a brilliant first hour. So you might have well dragged yourself out of bed, but this is your reward. Beautiful corduroy. And there's also nobody here, so you can really concentrate on what you're doing. And if you have a brilliant first hour, it will set you up for the day. And if you have made it to the top of the mountain, don't just ski back down into the resort. Stay high, you'll be ahead of the crowd. And if you do get a bit tired, just finish a little bit earlier. Quality, not quantity.